Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students, how are you today? I'm sure you are fine. Okay, meet again with Mr. Charwa today. And now we are going to talk about expression of prohibition. Here we may use may not and cannot. And then after that we are going to discuss about future tense using will. Okay, one more time. It is about may not, cannot, and will. Okay, here is the example of expression of prohibition. We will talk about don't make a noise and don't be lazy students. How about may not, cannot, and not supposed to? The three kinds here have the same meaning. First example, you may not make a noise. You can also say that you cannot make noise. May not, cannot make noise. Or you are not supposed to make a noise. The second sentence, pay attention please. You may not be lazy students. It means you cannot be a lazy student. Or you are not supposed to be a lazy student. Pay attention to this sentence. You may not make a noise. You cannot make a noise. And you are not supposed to make noise. It means don't make noise. What about this one? You may not be a lazy student. You cannot be a lazy student. Or you are not supposed to be a lazy student. It means don't be a lazy student. What about this one? You may not enter this room. You cannot enter this room. Or you are not supposed to enter this room. What do they mean? That's right, they mean don't enter this room. It means that you are not prohibited to enter this room. For example, you may not make a noise. It means you are prohibited to make a noise or don't make a noise. You cannot be lazy student. It means you are not prohibited to be a lazy student. It means also that you have to be a diligent student. You cannot make a noise. It means you are not prohibited to make noise. Or it means that you have to keep quiet. You are not supposed to enter this room. It means that you are not prohibited to enter this room. It means that you have to stay out. Okay? And continue with expression of future of activity. Here we will use will not, or won't. For the positive sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. First example, Sinta will make a speech. For the negative sentence, we put not after will. So the sentence is, she will not make a noise. Sorry, she will not make a speech. What about interrogative sentence? To ask someone, will she make a speech? If there is a question like this, you can answer yes, she will, or no, she will not. The second sentence, they will do the test. The negative sentence to be, they will not do the test. What about the interrogative sentence? You can say, will they do the test? You can answer, yes, they will, or no, they will not. Pay attention to the third sentence here. I will see the movie. Then, I will not see the movie. And the interrogative is, will you see the movie? Will not here, it can be simplified to be won't. Will not, won't. Is it easy, students? I'm sure you will master it well. And here are your assignments to do at your house. The first expression of prohibition, and then expression of future activity. For expression of prohibition, you have to make two sentences. And then expression of future activity, you have to make three sentences. Positive, negative, and interrogative. Okay, students, write down your answer in a column on YouTube. Don't forget to write down your name, your class, and your license number. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.